wobble? You got shivering.
Did you eat ice cream? You have some ice cream.
Freaking out.
You're freaking out?
Yeah.
Oh, from the ice cream?
Yeah.
Was it yummy? Was it yummy ice cream? Do you like ice cream?
No.
No? Why?
Because it made me freak.
Make you freak? Or freeze? Freeze. So no more ice cream for Sebastian?
No.
No. Do you want to go and sit in the sun and warm up?
Yeah.
Yeah? We go sit in the sunshine? Okay. Why you wobble? Is it from the ice cream? Is it making you wobble and shiver? Go, come into the sunshine, quick. Come and lie down in the sunshine. Look up at the sun and he'll make you nice and warm. Does that feel better?
No.
Well, lie down on your back and look up at the sun. Yeah, you can take that off.